Hi students, good afternoon to all of you and welcome to my channel. So today's topic is structure of ovum or egg. Students, as you know, eggs are produced by the process of gametogenesis that is called as oogenesis. So by the process of oogenesis, eggs are produced from female. So it is the female gamete. So what about the structure of that female gamete? What is its significance? What are the types of eggs or patterns of eggs? What are the membranes that are surrounded by the egg? These are, and polarity, about polarity. These are the basic concept regarding the structure of that egg and its organization. How an egg is organized. पिलेमाने ता भितर अछि साइटोप्लाज्म ता भितर अछि योक न्यूक्लियस ताले गोटे जनरल सेल जहा सब प्रकार ऑर्गेनेल आ भितर अछि कोन कोन नाही मध्य ताहाबु जणेबी सो पिलेमाने मन देकी सुन ए वीडियो रु तुमको नीट रे पढुथिबा किछि क्वेश्चन आ संबंध रे आसीबो तेणु माइंडफुली वीडियो को मूलर शेष जाए देख एवं सब्सक्राइब कर जद्वारा मुझे नुआ नुआ वीडियो करने इच्छा करी. सो फ्रेंड्स, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओवम and the main readings in this topic is what is egg membrane, what are the patterns of egg and how egg is organized. So students, first of all, some important features here I have already written due to precise time, that are the important features of that egg. Fully developed female sexual cell is called as egg or ovum. Fully developed female sexual cell. So female gamete is the fully developed female sexual cell. It is an egg and it is जेहेतु इटा गोटे सेल ताहा नॉर्मल सेल संगरे समान बट इट इज हैप्लॉइड. जदि क्रोमोसोम नंबर आमे देखिबा इट कंटेन्स हैप्लॉइड नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. गोटे नॉर्मल सेल रे 2n क्रोमोसोम रहउथिबा बेले गोटे एग भितरे हैप्लॉइड अर्थात n नंबर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज प्रेजेंट. सो इन कंपैरिजन टू ए नॉर्मल सेल, ए गैमेट सेल or an egg contains a haploid number of chromosome. It lacks of that centriole. That is why the maturation division is not completed without any help of that centriole, and cleavage will not occur due to that centriole. Cell division, cleavage meaning hochi segmentation of fertilized egg. So after fertilization, during segmentation or division of cells, it requires centriole which lacks this egg, and it takes that centriole from that sperm, that is the proximal centriole that I have already discussed in my previous video. So fully developed female sexual cell is egg which is similar to general cell, but it is haploid and contains yolk and additional layers. जो additional layer को हमें कहूँचे egg membrane बोली, and it lacks that centriole. Students, human egg is spherical. जब हम human egg को देखिबा ताले it is microscopic, non-motile, and it is similar to a living cell without any centriole. It contains yolk, it contains other organelles and haploid number of chromosome within it. So human egg is spherical in shape, but it is elongated in case of insects. Even in case of birds, it is oval. So more eggs produced from an animal, they are smaller in size. If few eggs are produced, if single egg is produced, then it is larger. So lesser in number of egg production, larger in size. larger in number of egg production is lesser in size. So mammalian egg is smaller, A lethal. पिले माने A रो मीनिंग होउची absent, lethal रो मीनिंग होउची yolk, the reserve food material for developing embryo, that is yolk, which provide growth and development of an embryo, which determines the plane of cleavage, that is the yolk. So human egg is devoid of that yolk, that is why it is called as A lethal egg, smaller in size, microscopic, A lethal and having a diameter of 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. So think that how microscopic it is. So it is very small. So egg nucleus with nucleolus. पिले माने नॉर्मल सेल रे न्यूक्लियस अछि, एकटा मध्ये नॉर्मल सेल संगे हम समान करूचे हैप्लॉइड नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम अछि किंतु न्यूक्लियस अछि। ताहले एग रो न्यूक्लियस एवं न्यूक्लियोलस को मिसे के कहा जाउचे जर्मिनल वेसिकल। द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एग इज कॉल्ड एज जर्मिनल वेसिकल एंड द साइटोप्लाज्म इज कॉल्ड एज ooplazm. The cytoplasm is called as ooplasm, which is present within it. So egg have a definite polarity. पिले माने हम polarity विषय रे जदि देखिबा ताहले पोल दीटा अछि, गोटे होछि एनिमल पोल आ गोटे होछि वेजिटल पोल. Yolk is present at which end of the egg, that is called as vegetal pole, and nucleus and polar body is present at which pole, it is called as animal pole. So egg has a definite polarity. ताहले polarity दीटा गोटे होछि animal pole आ गोटे हला vegetal pole. So vegetal pole contains that yolk or yolky region एवं animal pole पटे रहिला polar body and nucleus. So the lower half where the yolk cells are present, it is called as vegetal hemisphere, and the upper half which contains that nucleus and polar bodies, it is called as animal hemisphere. So entire egg is divided into two hemispheres. Lower one contains yolk, that is vegetal hemisphere. Upper half contains that nucleus and polar bodies, it is called as animal hemisphere. So it has a definite polarity. Cortical granules present below the plasma membrane. Pile mane cortical granules, it is produced from the Golgi bodies and it is present below the plasma membrane. So here this is the plasma membrane, and below the plasma membrane some granular structures are present. They are called as cortical granule, which help in formation of fertilization membrane during penetration of sperm. Sperm जेतेबेले पेनेट्रेट करूची एक भीतर को सेतेबेले ए cortical granule गुडी का fertilization membrane तैयारी करूचंती. एक साहब डेफिनेट पोलैरिटी ऑलरेडी कहि सारिची. पिले माने केतेक एक देखिथिबा having different colors. So that color occurs due to some color pigments present in its cytoplasm or ooplasm. ताले एक रो कलर एमिति नाली नेडी रेड ब्राउन एभली हबार कारण होची some certain color pigments are present in the plasma cytoplasm of egg, and most of animal plasma membrane egg is surrounded by additional membranes. They are called as egg membrane. पिले माने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एग रो चारिपटे अछि कारण जेहेतु एटा गोटे सेल ता चारिपटे रहिला साइटोप्लाज्म को घेरि की. ताहले पिले माने अधिकांश मामलियन एग जते सब एग अछि, एग गुडी का जेहेतु सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ ए सेल, ताले सेल रे साइटोप्लाज्म अछि ता चारिपटे अछि प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. Cytoplasm is enclosed by plasma membrane. Here egg is also enclosed by plasma membrane, and besides that plasma membrane some additional membranes are there and they are called as the egg membrane. से additional membrane गुड़ा को कहा जाउची egg membranes. पिलामाने this is all about that general features or basic features of an egg. गोटे egg रा एई basic feature अछि. ताहले वर्तमान हमें structure देखिबा egg रा. Here I have drawn the structure of that ovum or structure of that human egg. So human egg is similar to that of a cell, normal cell, but devoid of centriole. It is microscopic, non-motile, and the cytoplasm of this egg is called as ooplasm. Here ooplasm contains that nucleus, and entire structure of cytoplasm is surrounded by a membrane that is called as plasma membrane. पिलामाने plasma membrane को बाद देले another additional membrane is present just above it. It is called as vitelline membrane. So first cytoplasm or ooplasm is enclosed by plasma membrane. Then it is also surrounded by another additional membrane that is called as vitelline membrane, and space is formed around it called as perivitelline space towards the animal pole. The perivitelline space contains that polar body. ताले इधे जदि polarity कथा हमें चिंता करिबा ताहले it is the animal pole. So it is animal pole and the lower half is vegetal pole. कारण एपटे योग अछि एपटे रहला न्यूक्लियस और पोलर बॉडी जो जगह रहला जो पटे रहला ताको कहले एनिमल पोल. So first the membrane surrounded by ooplasm, it is called as plasma membrane. Then it is surrounded by another membrane called as vitelline membrane, and just around above that vitelline membrane it is surrounded by another membrane called as zona pellucida. So this is zona pellucida, and around that zona pellucida some radiatal cells are there, radiating cells are there to form another additional membrane that is called as corona radiata, or as it contains follicular cells, it is also called as follicular cell membrane. बा follicular cell रे तयारी हेतिबा membrane बाहर पटे रहिला ता तळकु रहिला zona pellucida, ता तळकु vitelline membrane, and ooplasm is enclosed by that plasma membrane. So students, this is the basic features of that egg. So in my next session of this video we are going through detail that egg membrane. So students, this is the second session of this video, and in second session I have told you that I describe that egg membranes. पिले माने टिकिया गुरु कहइतली egg is surrounded by plasma membrane, the cytoplasm is enclosed by plasma membrane, and some additional membranes are there to enclose that plasma membrane, and they are also called as egg membranes. पिले माने based on the source of origin ए egg membrane गुडा को कोठो तयारी हेछि सही अनुसार it is of three different types. Egg membranes are of three different types based on their source of origin. The first one is primary egg membrane. First one is primary egg membrane, and that primary egg membrane is secreted by the ovum itself. Egg ताको निजे secretion कराए, and it lies close contact to the outer of that plasma membrane. पिले माने egg रा cytoplasm को enclose करके plasma membrane. So plasma membrane रा outer side रे थिबा additional membrane ताहा होची primary egg membrane, and it is secreted by the ovum itself. egg निजे ताको secretion कराए. Insect, mollusca, amphibians and birds एमानन ठारे the primary egg membrane is called as vitelline membrane. ताको कहते vitelline membrane. को एनिमल मान ठारे insects, mollusks, amphibians and birds. So the primary egg membrane in these animals is called as vitelline membrane. But in sea urchin and other marine invertebrates, it is jelly-like covering and it is called as jelly coat. पिले माने आउथर माने रखो. Primary egg membrane secreted by the ovum itself. It is present just outer to that of plasma membrane. In case of insects, amphibians, birds and mollusca, it is called as vitelline membrane. And in case of sea urchin and other marine invertebrates, it is jelly-like coating and it is called as jelly coat. The zona pellucida of mammalian are primary egg membrane. किंतु mammal case रे होची zona pellucida को कुहा जाउची primary egg membrane. मने रहिला पिले माने तथापि आउ थरे सुनो. Based on source of origin, egg membrane को तीन भाग में विभक्त करा जायछि. The first one is the primary egg membrane, secondary egg membrane, and tertiary egg membrane. Primary egg membrane is the first egg membrane secreted by the ovum, lies just above that plasma membrane. Plasma membrane पर ताहा अछि. In case of mollusca, amphibians, birds, and insects, it is called as vitelline membrane. In case of sea urchin and other marine invertebrates, it is a jelly-like covering and called as jelly coat. And in case of mammalian egg, it is called as zona pellucida. It is the zona pellucida. Then the secondary egg membrane. पिले माने primary egg membrane बाहर पटे रही secondary egg membrane. It covers that primary egg membrane and it is formed by follicular cells. Follicle cell रे दिया. Primary egg membrane egg secrete कला एवं secondary egg membrane is formed from follicular cells, follicle cells. It is absent in amphibian, reptiles and birds. पिले माने secondary egg membrane amphibian मानक पाखरे नाही, reptile मानक पाखरे नाही एवं bird मानक ठारे मध्य देखा जाए नाही bird मानक egg. In insect egg रे जदि आमे देखिबा, it is hard covering, it is chitinous covering, it is chitinous cell having pore for exchange of gases, that is called as micropyle. And in mammals, it lacks that secondary egg membrane. Mammal manankara secondary egg membrane nahi, true secondary egg membrane nahi. And the membrane granulosa and corona radiata is also termed as the secondary egg membrane, but it lacks a true secondary egg membrane. पिले माने आउ थरे मने पकई दउची सुनो. Secondary egg membrane primary egg membrane रो बाहर पटे रहिला. It is formed of follicular cells by follicle cells. It is absent from amphibian, reptiles and birds. Amphibian, reptile और bird मानक egg रे था न थाए. In insect, it is a hard covering, it is a chitinous cell, and there is an opening present that is called as micropyle. And in mammalian egg, true secondary egg membrane it lacks, but membrane granulosa, theca membrane granulosa, and corona radiata, these are termed as the secondary egg membrane. Next, the third one is tertiary egg membrane. The tertiary egg membrane is secreted by oviduct and other parts of that female reproductive organ, accessory parts of female. ताले tertiary membrane secrete होची oviduct and other accessory part of female lies around that secondary egg membrane. Jelly coat is the tertiary egg membrane in case of that amphibians or frog. It is jelly-like covering. And calcareous cell of egg of birds, albuminous calcareous cell of egg of birds is termed as a tertiary egg membrane. ताले पिले माने based on that source of origin, besides that plasma membrane, these three radicinal membranes surrounded by the plasma membrane, they are called as the egg membrane. And what about the function of that egg membrane? पिले माने egg membrane मेम्ब्रेन जदि आम देखा जेहेतु यहाँ एडिशनल मेम्ब्रेन गुड़िए सो डेफिनेटली इट प्रोवाइड प्रोटेक्शन एडिशनल प्रोटेक्शन टू दैट ऑफ एग and it prevents polyspermy. It prevent the entry of more than one sperm into the egg. ताले पॉलीस्पर्मी को प्रिवेंट करूची, एग को प्रोटेक्ट करूची एवं इट प्रोवाइड्स बाउंसी इफेक्ट टू दैट ऑफ एग टू फ्लोट इन वाटर. पानी रे भासीबा पाई ये बाउंसी इफेक्ट मध्य प्रदान करूची केस एग मेम्ब्रेन्स. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट that egg membrane, and in my next session of this video we will discuss about that pattern of egg or types of egg. Students, in this session of my video I am going to discuss about types of egg or patterns of egg. So students, according to the amount of yolk present in an egg, एक भीतर yolk amount presence of that amount of yolk, it is divided into 4 different types. So according to the amount of yolk present within the egg, eggs are classified into 4 different types. The first one is alecithal. पिले माने a रो meaning है absent एवं lecithal रो meaning है yolk. Alecithal egg means in which egg yolk is absent or it is very negligible. Such type of eggs are found in case of mammals including man. Second one is micro or oligolecithal egg. Oligolecithal or microlecithal egg is in which egg very small amount of yolk is present, few yolk is present. Such type of egg is called as microlecithal or oligolecithal. एवं आर एग्जांपल होची हाइड्रा, एम्फियोक्सस and some placental mammals also. Third one is mesolecithal. When moderate amount of yolk is present in an egg, such egg is called as mesolecithal. So the example of that mesolecithal egg is dipnoi. पिले माने dipnoi जानि छ long breathing fish, ताको long fish बोली कुहा जाउची, and amphibians. Then fourth one is macrolecithal egg, in which more amount of yolks are present. Such type of egg is called as macrolecithal or megalecithal egg. And the example of that megalecithal or macrolecithal egg is insect, reptiles and birds. In case of insect, reptiles and birds, more yolk present in egg, hence their egg is called as macrolecithal or megalecithal. Then according to the distribution of yolk, how yolk is distributed among the cytoplasm of egg, ooplasm of egg. Eggs are classified also into 2 different types. First one is isolecithal or homolecithal. पिले माने iso or homolecithal egg ताको कहिबा in which egg within the ooplasm yolk is uniformly distributed. Such type of egg is called as isolecithal or homolecithal. The example of such type of egg is Amphioxus and placental mammals. Second one is according to distribution of yolk, telolecithal. In case of telolecithal eggs, the yolk is distributed towards the vegetal pole. पिले माने polarity विषय रे कहितली animal pole और vegetal pole. जदि yolks are more concentrated towards the vegetal pole, here it is the animal pole and this is the vegetal pole. If yolks are concentrated more in that vegetal pole, such type of egg is called as telolecithal egg, and the examples are reptiles, birds. It is highly telolecithal as more yolk present towards the vegetal pole, एवं moderately telolecithal. The example is dipnoi and amphibians. So Third one is centrolecithal. So according to distribution of yolk within the O plus, centrolecithal is another type of egg where yolk are present lies at the center of the egg. This is the centrolecithal egg and yolk present at the center of that ooplasm. And the example is egg of insects. Then according to the presence of cell SHELL that is made of calcium carbonate, the hard covering, ताले से hard covering रा presence और absence अनुसार दी प्रकार egg. First one is clidoic egg and second one is non-clidoic egg. If the cell is present around the egg, the calcium carbonate covering that lies around the egg, then such type of egg is called as clidoic egg, which occurs in case of reptiles and birds. But in case of non-clidoic egg, that cell is absent. And the example is fishes, amphibians and placental mammals. So last but not least, according to the type of development, eggs are also classified into two different types. First one is determinate egg. Here, each and every part of the egg is determined before or after fertilization. So each part is concerned for development of a particular organ. It is also called as mosaic egg, and it occurs, the example of that mosaic egg is Platyhelminthes, annelids, arthropods and mollusca. And in indeterminate egg or regulative egg, it cannot be predicted. The part of the egg that present within it cannot be predicted. So it is indeterminate. The fate of every part of the egg cannot be determined, predetermined करी हबनी. एवं एक प्रकार एक एग्जाम्पल है echinoderms and chordates. So students, this is all about that pattern of eggs or how many types of egg according to the amount of yolk, according to the distribution of yolk, according to the presence or absence of a cell, and according to the development, nature of development. So students, this is all about that types or pattern of egg. In my next session, I will describe regarding some important facts of the egg. So, it will be described in my next session. So, this is the final session of this video. That is some important facts related to that of ovum. Pilamani, ovum is the largest cell in human body. Human body भितर जदि cell को देखिबा, ovum होची largest cell and about 100 micron. Largest egg is the egg of ostrich. Otto पखीर अंडा होची largest egg. Ovum can be preserved for long time and can be future. It can be used once again after preservation. That is cryopreservation. आगुरु कहिचे -196 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रे लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन रे बायोलॉजिकल मटेरियल को इथरे प्रिजर्व करके अनेक वर्ष पर्यंत रखा जाए. Smoking leads to the degeneration of ovum. On contact with smoking, the ovum may die. The lifespan of unfertilized egg is about 12 to 24 hours. After that, it will not able to fertilize, it will die. It will become inactive. And according to 1994 review, a tiny parasitoid fly called as Clematis pulata, that fly is named as Clematis pulata, has the smallest egg known. That is about 0.02 millimeter. As I have already described about that human egg is about 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter. But this is 0.02 millimeter, very negligible in size, very microscopic. So students, this is all about the video regarding that egg or ovum. If this video you likes, then subscribe my channel so that I will do more and more videos as per your interest. Thank you.